Today's tutorial is going to be the pencil snap clip, which looks like this right here. Yesterday we did the crayon one. Today we're doing the pencil snap clip. These are 2-inch snap clips. I got this die from mariatreto.com. It's die number 1117. So let's get started. Let's put our self-healing mat on the bottom and get everything ready for our pencil. So we have our yellow here. So this one here is the pencil side. This one's the crayon side. The crayon looks different. Put our yellow here. We're going to get pink for the eraser. We're going to get our black glitter for the little lead section. We need silver for the section here. And then we need this color here for the lead. I'm cutting 2 of everything because tomorrow's tutorial is going to be the Catalina. So I'm going to need the same pieces here I used to make this bow as well. So you could use the pencil part to make the Catalina as a pencil. So this was going to be tomorrow's tutorial. But today we're doing the pencil snap clip. So this one can be used 2 different ways. You can use it to make a snap clip, and you can also use it to add the ends for the Catalina. But that's tomorrow's tutorial. Let's finish our pencil first. We're covering this one up. This one fits the Sizzix Big Shot Plus. So I have the Sizzix Big Shot Plus on my table here, and we're going to roll it through. Roll it through. Put you guys back down this way. So now I have my pencil snap clip here. I'm going to have 2 pieces of everything. So tomorrow I'll be using these extra pieces to show you guys how to make the Catalina. So I'm going to put these over here for I know that I already have it cut out for the Catalina. This one here, we need a silver one for the Catalina. We're going to need a little lead for Catalina. We need lead for our pencil. Then we need a silver one for the pencil and our eraser. Okay. I think I got everything. Yes. Okay. Put this over here for tomorrow. So let's get started. So just like the crayon, we're going to need our tweezers and we're going to need our 2-inch snap clip. So first thing first, just like the crayon, we're going to figure out what side has the slit. So the slit is on my left side. So I'm going to do everything on the right side of the pencil. So let's glue down our eraser in the silver part because that's the easiest thing. We're going to clip it in the middle. We're going to add hot glue on it. And we're going to stick it on here. Let me press down. So there goes the eraser part. Now we get the silver section. We clip it on as well. Add hot glue on it. We're going to stick it on and press down. Look how cute. Okay, let's do this part now. So, excuse me. The easiest part I found is that since this is smooth faux leather and this is glitter, what we're going to do first is I'm going to add the BSI glue to the glitter part and add hot glue to this part here. And that's to me, that was the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to get my BSI glue and I'm going to add it on this part. And I put it over the whole entire thing. It kind of soaks it in, but it's covered. Then over here, I'm going to add hot glue, but just to the tip part. And I don't want to add too much because we don't want it to like spill everywhere. Added my hot glue there. And now I'm going to attach this right on it and put my fingernail here and pull it out. And then we're going to press down. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to get your pencil dirty. So I found it easier to add BSI on the glitter and add hot glue onto the smooth part and then squish it together. Once we have it like this, we're going to add hot glue to the back of this one. And here's regular hot glue because it's going onto glitter. And then we're going to stick this one on here. Pull this one out and press down. Press down. Make sure it's nice and stuck on there. Okay. So now it's looking like a pencil. Super cute. Let's get our lighter right quick and clear off the edges. So in case you have any glue strings anywhere or glue on the edges, this kind of cleans it up. So we can flip it over. Now we add our clip. We get our 2-inch alligator, 2-inch snap clip. We're gonna slide it in like that. We're gonna add the same thing like we did the pencil, not the pencil, the crayon. We're doing to the pencil. We add hot glue back here. We're gonna add our hot glue, just a little tip here. Move it on up like that. And then we're gonna hold the bottom part. So we're gonna add our hot glue just to the top section, or halfway mark. I'm gonna fold this over. Make sure that these two touch each other, and then we can squish it here because we don't want to glue it down too long or too short. So always double check that these two are equal, the same height. Okay, then I close it, and then we're gonna open it back up here, and we add glue the rest of the way. Make sure you get the edges very good. And then I'm gonna connect these together first, and then I kind of smush the edges. And then we're gonna hold. Then I open it, make sure it's nice and smooth back here. I close it. I'm gonna grab our lighter again, make sure there's no glue coming out of the edges. And our pencil is done. So I taught you guys how to do the little pencils. We did some crayons yesterday. So this is how you do the pencils and the crayons using die number 1117 from mariatreto.com. You could use this same die to make this bow here using the pencil section. So tomorrow's tutorial will be this one, the Catalina, using the cutouts of the pencil, the eraser, the silver part, the lead, to make the Catalina pencil.